Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. Thank you for following. Thank you for your shares and your messages. Be sure to comment. I'll make sure I respond. And today I wanted to talk about the idea that not everyone will go with you as you pursue your vision. The reality is, when a vision is given to you, it's you who is the receiver. Not everyone will get it. And usually when you get the vision, it's not fully formed. There are many missing pieces. The person you were to the person who will actually implement and hold the vision are two different people. There is a real gap there, So when you get your vision, you'll be excited to share and tell everybody, but not everyone will get it. So protect your vision. Be sure to share with spiritually minded people who can comprehend big things, who can comprehend the idea that you who looks maybe ordinary can become extraordinary, because you have the gene in you, the strength, the God particle in you to be extraordinary. You are actually extraordinary. You just need to remember and tap into that greatness, So the people you're with right now may not be able to participate where you're going, And we have to allow and respect times and seasons, because there is a season to have a crowd, there is a season to walk it alone, there is a season where you'll have only 1 or 2, 3 people cheering you on, or none at all. So make sure you have courage and cheer yourself up, and it's okay not for everyone to go with you. They don't have to become your enemy or anything. You just realize the tides are changing and you're moving on to something different, and that should be okay. And if you have to pull someone to come and go with you, then they're going to become a burden to where you're going. And remember, as you go towards your future and building your vision, you need to travel light. Some things that are unnecessary, you have to let them go. You'll keep trimming yourself and becoming lighter. You let go of things, you let go of places, you let go of people. Yes, even close people. And that is a necessary process. So if you're doing life alone, or it feels a bit lonely at this time, keep cheerful, because it does get better. At some point you'll find the people who fit your new vision, where you don't have to pull and push. Well, the poem I have for you from my new book, Divine Soul Whispers, it's a book about poems, and the poems are about life and love, just the general normal things. There's this poem I wrote called Arise. Arise, lift your head up and arise. Stretch your invisible wings and take flight. Expose your illuminating light, dispersing the darkness within and without. Be bold enough to make a change. Doors will open, so family will arise to the occasion. Our thirst for adventure will be quenched by the unknown. Follow your inner inbuilt compass. As night rolls into day, the sun picks its rays through, just to say, arise. I'll leave you with that. Let this stir your heart and arise to the occasion. Not everyone will go with you, but you'll be fine. You'll meet other people along the way. I'll leave you. Till next time, I love you guys. Arise.